My name's Tina Claire, and I own Big Shot Range here in South Reno. So my husband and I have been in the gun industry for the last 7-8 years. So our digital services were very underdeveloped. The communication with Wolf Den has been fabulous. They communicate well with text messages, emails, phone calls. They really work around my schedule. I get kind of hectic sometimes, hard to get a hold of. They've been great with working with us on that. They've found us several thousands of dollars where we could better improve our services. They helped us with consolidating our technical services and saving us lots of money, essentially paying for themselves and then some. I would 100% recommend them. They've been wonderful for us. I think that they would do a wonderful job for any other small business, medium-sized business, even a large business.